Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you $9.3 million Facebook ad strategy for Black Friday, Cyber Monday for Q4 that you can copy into your business. Whether you're spending $5,000 per month on Facebook ads or you're spending $500,000 on Facebook ads, you can copy into your business, maximize your profits, return on ad spend, your revenue from the existing ad spend, and overall scale your business a lot faster. And guys, before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of energy into these videos. I try to make them as educational, as helpful for you as possible, so please subscribe to my channel so YouTube pushes it to more people and we can help more people out. I'll show you inside of the actual ad accounts, I'll show you the strategies, the tactics, I'll show you everything, guys, that you need to do in order to scale your business this Black Friday. Before we get started, I just want to show you, so this is based on like real information. This is not based on some theory. $4 million. During regular Black Friday, we would do between $9 million and $15 million in sales. So guys, number one thing that you have to apply, you have to copy like today is massive retargeting campaigns. So you can see here inside of one of the campaigns, these are type of the audiences that we're retargeting, guys. So if you have customers or if you have people that have not purchased from you, you have to retarget them very, very, very hard, because during Black Friday, people want to buy stuff. So it's only the matter of whether they'll buy that from you or they'll buy from someone else, but they'll buy from someone. So if you have your ad structured in the right way and you're putting your offer in front of like people that are looking to buy stuff, that's where you can maximize your advertising results. That's where you can maximize your ROAS and get amazing profitability this Black Friday. So you can see the setup here is gathering all of the engagement you've generated for the last 180 days and set up a big Black Friday Cyber Monday campaign for retargeting that audience. You need to prepare a special deal offer. Most of the people who've engaged with your business didn't buy because they didn't like your offer. So use the follow audiences at least. Purchases 180 days, add to cart, initiate checkout 180 days, view content 180 days, page view 180 days, SMS and email engagement 180 days. You can also add Facebook and Instagram post engagement 180 days and video viewers 75% 180 days if you don't have enough on Pixel event to spend 30% of your daily budget on audiences outlined in B. You also have to monitor metrics. Frequency below 5, CPA at least 50% lower than cold advertising CPA, CPM max 200% of your average account CPMs. And guys, by the way, if you want slides from this presentation, just comment slides below so I can send it over to you. Special deal example. So you can see here the coupon code. It's absolutely necessary to have a coupon code. You can duplicate it on the side and header on the product pages. Your angle is your offer. Make sure you use it on the headline and scroll stopper caption. So you want to make sure everything is as congruent as possible through your landing page experience, through your website, so user and potential customer doesn't feel confused, like there is one message on the ad and there is another message on the website, so they feel aligned with everything that you show them. And use existing post IDs to duplicate the engagement. All broad and auto. So auto placements, all age groups, all genders, no exclusions at all. Make sure everyone sees this ad. We don't care about overlaps either. Stack up different audience groups to increase reach. 30, 60, 90, 180 days works very well after the recent iOS update. So you can see the image to the right. So here you can see purchases, like different audiences, excluding pretty much nothing, right? Like, so we're just hitting these people very, very hard. Number two, guys, creative content production, massive testing. So ABO Creative Sandbox, test as many creatives as you can. We test over 100 creative variations for each store in November, and each creative with 3 different variations to eliminate the impact of a poor scroll stopper. So videos with 3 different scroll stoppers, beginning of the video, images with different captions, different influencers using the same scripts, colorful backgrounds, different colors, and at least $50 per ad set. One creative with 3 different variations in each ad set. Same targeting for each ad set. Use broad if you have a lot of data on Pixel and ad account. So guys, the same as during normal period of the year, you have to test your creatives aggressively, because creatives is what creates the success of your advertising. Creatives is what maximizes the ROAS. You can have a new creative totally outperforming what you had previously. That's why you can never stop testing new creatives, new influencers, new faces. So it has to be done on a consistent basis. So graphic image banners with black color and offer emphasize. So you can see some examples here from last Black Friday. Black Friday sale up to 70% off limited stock, right? Up to 60% off site-wide, right? You can copy this. You can copy these like offers one-to-one if you want to. Scar Audio here, amazing company. Black Friday, 20% off site-wide. And you can see the same offer here, 20% off Black Friday 2021, Black Friday 20% site-wide, and also Black Friday here. So it's like everything is so aligned. The same message is repeated several times. So user feels like, okay, it's for sure the best type of offer for Black Friday. It's very relevant to what I'm looking for. and that's what gets the click-through rate. That's what gets the people to buy. More examples here, guys. 40% off Black Friday sale. Another one here, all contacts are 50% off. Special coupon code here, Black Friday sale, Black Friday sale. This one here, our picture doesn't have the Black Friday in the headline. I would add it here. It's very simplistic overall. Black Friday deals start now. It's very minimalistic overall. This type of format that I like the most, where you have a lot of benefits outlined in the ad copy, in the headline, and in the description. Another type of offer here, guys, buy X, get Y free offers that work very well during Black Friday. So Blenders eyewear here, you can see buy one, get one. Here you can see it's pink on a gray background. It's very readable. And also the same is repeated here. Black Friday BOGO is here. Buy one, get one free. This one is very clear, very easy to read, big text, free is highlighted, big colors. You can see the same here. Two variations of the same company called Gleamin. Very cool ads here, and also the message is very congruent here, here, and here. Another one, guys, is a special offer. So we have 3 distinct periods of the Black Friday Cyber Monday promo. So early Black Friday sale, it's percentage off store-wide. For example, 25% off. Early Black Friday is normally starting November 1st for us and ends at the end of the Black Friday week. Black Friday week sale is percentage off and also 10-15% off store-wide. For example, 40% off. Black Friday week starts on Monday, Facebook week, and ends before Black Friday day itself. And we started as a last chance promo after Black Friday day until the end of Cyber Monday. And then Black Friday day sale is percentage off plus 20-25% off site-wide. So for example, 50% off, buy one, get one. This one only goes on Black Friday. Should be duplicated around, always the same offer. Homepage banner on the website, social media ads, product pages, collection pages, email campaigns, social media, organic posts. You can see some examples here. So these are the examples of the banners that you can put on the website. 35% off, very clearly readable. You can read it easily. Another one here, product pages, place info in the red and coupon code, right? You can see it's clearly under the price here. It's in the red. It's clearly readable. I mean, you can make it even more visible if you want to, but this is good starting point. So now throughout the whole experience, it's the same congruent message. That's what you want to achieve. From the initial click when user clicks and sees your ad first to the moment when they actually buy, it's the same message. They know exactly what to expect. Emails. Black background, offer clearly visible, and it's aggressive. So Black Friday is now 70% off. Black Friday is here, hurry up. So now guys, top tier Facebook ads tactics. Broad CBO scaling campaigns, 3x duplicate with higher budgets, aim for early strong performance, high budget cost cap campaigns to buy all of the cheapest traffic on Facebook with low bids, massive lookalike retargeting campaign, make lookalikes from your 180-day engagement campaign, broad CBO age breakdown campaigns, 3x duplicate with high budgets, aim for early strong performance, massive creative testing campaigns, scale aggressively best performers. So broad CBO scaling campaigns, 3x duplicate and look for the campaign that gets 1-2 early sales. Your winner usually is 9 out of 10 times that will be your winner. Kill the other 2 duplicates once you got a winner. Start with high budgets to scale vertically fast. Scale vertically by adjusting the budget 25% a day and use Black Friday ads only. Make sure you have your Black Friday promo offer on your ads. Cost cap CBO campaign. Start with high budget. You won't spend the whole daily budget. Goal to spend is at least 20%. Start with a bid that is equal to your average CPA on Facebook and add $1-2 around it. 5 ad sets, 5 different bids to find a sweet spot that spans your budget effectively. Use Black Friday ads only. Ads with lowest CPMs work best with cost cap. And for a full setup, guys, you can check this doc. By the way, guys, comment slides below so I can send it over to you and you can have this whole setup. You can replicate these strategies and tactics for your business right away. Massive lookalike targeting campaign. Take those custom 100-day audiences as a basis. These work best as they have more data. Use ABO to scale only as best performing lookalikes and control the budget. Take a 0 to 10% range for max possible reach and best scalability. Use Black Friday ads only. So for full setup, you can check again this doc, guys. Comment slides below if you want me to send this document over to you. You can see the whole setup outlined here. So view content 180 lookalike, page view 180 lookalike, SME engage. You have here add to cart, initiate checkout, 180 days lookalikes, purchase lookalikes all. So broad CBO age breakdown campaigns. You can see it's very similar to one of the previous setups. 3x duplicate and look for the campaign that gets 1-2x. So 3x duplicate and look for the campaign that gets 1-2 early sales. That will be your winner 9 to 10% of the times. It means it's hitting the segment on Facebook that has a lot of buyers. Kill the other 2 duplicates once you got a winner. Start with high budgets to scale vertically fast. You can scale vertically by adjusting the budget 25% a day. use Black Friday ads only. Make sure you have your Black Friday promo offer on ads. Massive creative testing campaign. So you can see this is just one of the campaigns here with a lot of, you can see like so many different like demographics, so many different ads. You can see these are all like numbers of variations. Variations 72, variations 132, variations 174, variations 115. So many different variations of the creatives that we are testing here in the same campaign. Use automated rules to control campaigns effectively. Golden rule is everything that works on Facebook works from the beginning. You know, that's what we found, like advertising for years. Usually something either works or it doesn't from the start. It's like it's not the best idea to wait for the algorithm to correct itself or to get better or for pixel to season. If something works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? That's kind of the mindset we always have. Testing rule setup for new ad sets and ads, aka killer scale. So number of impressions more than 1,000, CPC more than $2, turn off, right? So if we have high CPC from the beginning, then we just kill those ads. Then it means our ads are not good enough. Amount spent more than $10, CPC more than $1.5, turn off, which is 1.5x of the average CPC. 1.5 break-even CPA, cost per purchase spent, no add to carts or initiate checkouts, turn off. Break-even CPA, cost per purchase spent, 0 purchases, turn off. CPA spent, 0 purchases, turn off. Let's say $100 spent, more than 1 purchase, ROAS lower than break-even ROAS, we're turning it off. So it's important, guys, to always keep your eyes on the campaigns and seeing like what's working, what doesn't. Some of the offers will have crazy ROAS during this period of time and some will not. So the faster you can optimize your ads, the faster you can cut your losers, the more overall the profitability of your ads will be. Because if you let each ad spend, let's say, extra $50, $100, then accumulated, that can take your overall ROAS from, let's say, 2.5 to 1.5. And usually it either works or it doesn't. It gets us sales, it gets us momentum, or it's not. And if it's not, we have to work on the creative more. We have to create better ads. We have to maybe adjust some targeting, and then it will work, and then it will figure itself out. By the way, guys, comment slides below so I can send these slides over to you, so you can start this setup like right away. You can maximize your Black Friday results and you can make it super profitable for you. Optimization rules. So optimization rule setup for optimizing campaigns, ad sets, and ads. If yesterday ROAS is more or equals the benchmark ROAS, for example, break-even ROAS plus 20% margin, scale budget 25%, vertical scaling. If yesterday ROAS is approximately equals to break-even ROAS, scale budget 10% so you can buy more data. If last 3 days plus today ROAS equals approximately the break-even ROAS, reduce your budget by 25%, stabilize. If last 3 days and today ROAS is lower than break-even ROAS, then you can turn off the ad sets, you can kill losers. Identify your own benchmark ROAS and adjust the formula. Not everyone aim is 20% margin. So on Facebook, we usually go after 20% margin. If your margin, like you want to have like 30% margin, then obviously you have to adjust your metrics by which you're optimizing, or maybe your goal is only 10% margin because you have a strong backend, you have good email marketing campaigns, and you just want to acquire those customers. Then you would have to adjust these metrics accordingly as well. Account control rules. Account control rules set up lazy winners. For all ad sets that are off, if last 3 days plus today ROAS is higher than break-even ROAS, turn the ads back on. For all testing ad sets that are off, lifetime ad spend less than $50, purchases more than 0, then you can turn the ad set back on. So you can see what we're doing here, right? Some ad sets might have been profitable indeed, but they showed like as unprofitable, so we killed them. But with a delayed attribution, it seems that they have been profitable, so we are reactivating them, and oftentimes those unprofitable ad sets become super profitable. So that's what we're doing. We're constantly playing with it, guys. It requires constant kind of like supervision. So it's either you or your media buyer can apply these strategies and tactics to your business, guys. Comment slides below so I can send it over to you. Apply this Q4. Let me know about the results, and let's crush this Q4 together.